Fashion's most profound changes happen internally, altering self-perception, confidence, and psychological well-being in ways that ripple through every aspect of life. Self-image transforms from negative or neutral to positive through fashion attention. Women who've spent years ignoring or actively disliking their appearance find that dressing thoughtfully and beautifully rebuilds positive self-image. You begin seeing yourself as someone worth caring for, someone who deserves beauty and quality. This fundamental self-perception shift affects everything: how you talk to yourself, what you believe you deserve, what you're willing to attempt. Confidence builds through the competence of fashion mastery and daily positive feedback. Learning what works for you, developing styling skills, receiving compliments, these create confidence through proven capability and positive reinforcement. This fashion-based confidence transfers to other areas. Women report attempting career moves, social activities, or creative projects they'd avoided due to lack of confidence. Fashion confidence becomes general confidence. Depression and anxiety symptoms often improve with intentional fashion practice. Getting dressed mindfully provides daily structure that helps with depression. Creating outfits offers creative engagement that alleviates anxiety. Looking good generates positive feedback that combats negative self-talk. While fashion isn't therapy, for many women it provides accessible daily practice that supports mental health alongside professional treatment when needed. Identity clarification happens through fashion exploration and expression, trying different styles, discovering what feels authentic, developing signature elements. This is identity work. For women in life transitions questioning who they are now, fashion provides a laboratory for exploring emerging identity. The clothes you choose reveal aspects of yourself you're ready to express, helping clarify who you're becoming. Agency and control are exercised daily through fashion choices. When other aspects of life feel out of control, fashion offers complete agency. You choose everything about your appearance. This daily practice of choice and control provides psychological stability and reinforces that you're capable, decisive, and in charge of your life, feelings that extend beyond your wardrobe. External transformations in treatment and opportunities. Beyond internal changes, fashion transforms how the world treats women over 50, creating tangible differences in respect, opportunities, and social experiences. Social treatment improves dramatically when fashion signals value and status. Well-dressed women report being approached more in social settings, included in conversations more readily, and treated more respectfully across contexts. This improved treatment isn't imagination, it's measurable change in how strangers, acquaintances, and even friends interact. Fashion literally changes your social experience by changing how others perceive and respond to you. Professional opportunities expand for women whose appearance signals competence and currency. The woman who updates her professional image often finds new opportunities appearing: consulting offers, speaking invitations, board positions, networking connections. While qualifications matter, appearance affects who gets considered for opportunities. Strategic fashion opens professional doors that remained closed when appearance didn't match capability. Respect from service providers increases with perceived status markers. Doctors take concerns more seriously. Salespeople provide more patient assistance. Service providers accommodate requests more readily, all based primarily on appearance-driven status perception. For women over 50 navigating systems that often dismiss them, this respect improvement has